Good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Firmansyah. I'm from 5MB2 class. I'm glad to be here today. The title to my presentation is Computer Programming. Did you know that computer programming? In short, programming is one of the most sought after skills today. I have divided my talk into programming. The first point to my talk is definition of programming. The second point is basic of programming. The third point is application computer programming language. The fourth point is what are the benefits of learning a programming language. And the last 5 point is what are the use of programming in the business world. What is the computer programming? Computer programming is a step-by-step process of design and developing various sets of computer programs to accomplish a specific computing outcome. The process comprises several tasks like analysis, coding, algorithm generation, checking accuracy, and resource consumption of algorithm as the purpose of computer programming is to find a sequence of instructions that solve a specific problem on a computer. I like to focus on programming language. Basic of programming. Just like human language, programming language also follow grammar called syntax. There are certain basic program code elements which are common for all the programming language. The next point is application of computer programming language. There are 4 kinds of programming language here. First, HTML or Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the set of markup symbols or codes inserted into a file intended for display on the internet. The markup tell web browser how to display a web page, word, and image. Second, Python. Usage include web and internet development, scientific and numeric application, business application. It is widely used in AI and machine learning space. 3. JavaScript. Usage include web or mobile apps development, game development, and desktop app development. 4. SQL or Structured Query Language. SQL is a query language used to design and create database structure related to application development needs. This chart illustrates two most used programming languages among developers worldwide as of 2021. With the first place is JavaScript as the most widely used programming language with a value of 64.96% and C++ in the last order as a programming language that is rarely used with a value of 24.31%. As of 2021, JavaScript and HTML, CSS were the most commonly used programming languages among software developers around the world, with nearly 65% of respondents stating that they use JavaScript and just over 56% using HTML, CSS. Python, SQL, and Java rounded out the top 5 most widely used programming languages around the world. What are the benefits of learning a programming language? The first, sharpen your problem-solving skill. Learning a programming language involves conceptualizing problem at a multitude of different levels. You will learn to take a broader, high-level program and break it down in smaller chunks that can be solved via programming. The second, employment prospect. It's clear that IT specialists and programmers of pretty much every variety are in demand. Modern programming languages like Python and JavaScript, but also the RDMS language SQL, seem to the top the list of the most in the demand programming language. Increase your creativity. Learning how to communicate it using a computer language will expose you to better way of accomplish business tasks, and as new technologies are developed, you will be better placed to understand how you can leverage much technologies for your business. The four, become more technically minded. By learning a program language, you will also become more technically minded, which is the perfect for a future dominated by technology. From troubleshooting your own system and network to working with IoT, home equipment, and much more. The technical skill you gain as a programmer provide a sound platform for future technical experience and qualification. The next point is on this occasion I will show you a short way to create a simple website using the HTML programming language. First, to make a program, the text editor application is needed. The text editor is a software that allows one to open, view, and edit plain text files or plain text. Here I use the Visual Studio Code application. For at the beginning of this, write the description to tell the web browser about the writing rules of the document being displayed. This is a description of the website that I will make. I will add a header, then add a paragraph, and add a picture. A complete website usually consists of a head and body section. This is the view of the website that I made in the Visual Studio Code application. It still looks very simple and unattractive. To improve the appearances and layout of this website, I will use CSS cascading style sheets. This is a display of the result of the HTML code that I have completely. Then here is the code of the CSS to make the website look better. This is the final look of the website. Here there is a navigation section, home, courses, tutors, partners, and contact. So this is one example of computer programming, namely making a simple website. I come to the end of my presentation about computer programming. To sum up, a programming language is a language we use to communicate it with a computer and give it a set of tasks to do. Whereas the computer is a man-made electronic programmable machine designed to sequentially and automatically carry out a sequence of arithmetic and logical operation. These two things are very closely related. The programming is an important skill to learning because it is one of the options that can be used in solving problems in many aspects of life. To conclude, I like to say programming is not something that is only used by people who focus on the field of information technology, because in reality programming also used in many fields, one of which is in the business sector. Some systematic problems that occur in companies can be solved by programming. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has given us new insight on the programming computer.